Hello! I'm starting a wave 2 of auditions, which will last about 2 months, ends April 30th. If you want to audition, the Discord server link as well as the show synopsis is in the pinned comment. This is mostly for animators and composers, but if you're interested in any other role, you can still apply. However, for VA, you won't be casted yet. If I choose you, you'll just be set aside until I find a character that I think suits you best. I'll be showing you updates for my own compositions every day until the deadline. Right now, I am working on the thing for Jenny. I'll be posting a long video about this soon, so stay tuned and enjoy the rest of my composition.